Sir, sino po sila, sir?
Leo.
Okay, sir. Okay, Sir Leo, anong auto tundala natin, boss?
I have a 1979 Galant Lambda.
Okay.
Mitsubishi. And restored about 4 years ago.
Ganun na katagal, boss? Oo, ganun na. Okay, Boss Leo, syempre very curious ako. Paano ba kayo nahilig sa pagkakotse muna, boss? Sige po.
Well, maliit pa ako, medyo I have fascination na sa mga kotseng bagaganda eh. So, kahit yung mga matchbox ko nun pinipinturahan ko mag-isa.
Ay, parehas pala tayo, Sir Leo.
Kino-customize ko yun.
Kino-customize, oo.
And then, nung nag-high school, pero I started with owner type chick kasi hindi kami ganun pa.
Doon talaga, boss, oo.
So, after a while, nag-join ng military. Ito, ako to, pagka-graduate ko, second lieutenant.
Okay. Pero, Sir Leo, medyo mas mahilig ka talaga sa old school talaga, talaga.
So,
yun talaga.
Ang akin kasi, bago is, well, convenient to use, they're expensive, pero ito with this, I'm driving my dream car.
O yun, tama. Sir Leo. Yun, up tayo dyan, Boss Leo ha. Boss Leo, syempre dito sa Auto Culture, kailangan makita natin interior, exterior, tsaka engine bay. Okay lang, boss?
Yeah.
Pwede. So, tara, check na natin. Okay, usapang interior tayo, Boss Leo.
Yes.
Anong meron dito, boss? Sige po.
Well, it's an air-conditioned unit. We have the old school dial gauges. As you can see, it's like parang aeroplano. And then overhead console.
Oh, ito mo stock to? Itong nandito, boss?
It all works.
Okay.
So, you'll see clock works, map light, and everything.
Grabe, no? So talagang pinagana mo taga lahat, Boss Leo?
Yes, binalik ko siya sa dati na...
Dati talaga, oo, ayan, akala mo parang aeroplano rin yung dati.
Tapos ito, gauges niya is all working.
Working din, boss. Ito, nabanggit mo rin, may aircon, boss?
Yes.
Kailangan, boss.
Kailangan ng aircon. Without the tint, hindi kaya.
Medyo talagang ayan mga ka-auto.
Updated na tong aircon ito, so medyo para siyang bago.
Parang bago na rin, yun.
With this interior, ang naiiwan dito na original, of course, the dashboard and this gray carpet. So hindi ko pinapalitan kasi yan yung original niya.
Talagang
And then nilagyan ko lang nito for protection.
79 na 79 dati nga, Boss Leo, no?
And what else? It has factory blue glass.
Ay, ito, boss, talagang na.
Yeah, if you'll notice, it's like tinted pero walang tint yan.
Oo, siya, yun nga yung tatanong natin kay Boss Leo. Yun nga, ayos,
blue glass siya.
Okay, Boss Leo.
And
okay na? Dito sa interior, ito talagang restored. Yun nga, ika nga, Boss Leo.
Boss,
boss, okay lang, check naman natin ang labas. Okay lang, Boss Leo?
Sure.
So, tara, check natin. Okay, Boss Leo, usapang exterior tayo. Anong meron dito, boss? Sige po.
Well, with the classic look of 4 quads, square.
Okay.
I just added this CB projector fog lights.
Fog lights
It lights up but I don't use it.
Display na lang, display. Display na lang. Okay.
This one is from Japan version. It's a power mirror.
Ito may fender mirror na rin no?
Fender mirror niya na power.
Ito, Boss Leo, usapang kulay, sobrang kinis na ito. Anong kwento pala na ito? Anong kulay na muna?
Actually, ito is, ang paint niya is Chromax. Pero kinuha ko siya sa original nung, if you're familiar with Japan Museum, yung car museum.
Okay.
Merong exact the same car, ganyan kulay.
Ganito rin.
So, kinuha ko lang siya.
Kulay lumot no? Boss, no? Boss,
metallic.
Okay. Boss, ito, usapang mags tayo, boss. Anong kwento, boss? Sige po.
Classic. Yung unang panahon, sabi nila pang mayaman daw na mags.
Oo nga
But it's rare now, so...
Iba talaga si Vega, boss. Iba talaga si Vega, mga ka-auto. Ayan.
Then, if you will see, madilim.
Okay, sige boss. Yan, flex natin mga ka-auto. Ayan.
Kakintab nito, kaya lang umulan kanina.
Grabe.
So, nadumihan.
Pinturado rin talaga.
What else? This is what I like about this car. Kumpleto siya nito.
Ay, yun nakuha mo, boss?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kulang ng dalawa yata, so I have to source out. Nakakuha naman na kumpleto naman siya.
Kailangan maghanap.
Yes. Yung thrill of having an old car.
Yun nga rin, boss, no?
Yan, yung original emblem niya.
Okay, boss.
Then this one is inspired by the Porsche Targa.
Tama, no?
Yung garnish niya.
Ayan. Ito parang ano ba? Aluminum. Aluminum boss eh, no? Aluminum.
So, nabagsakan ng ulo. So, pero
Medyo may dents.
So,
Ayun,
this one, of
grabe.
course, Galant Lambda because of the model.
Ay,
It's a
oo.
Lambda sign.
Yan mga
And it's a super touring. And it only means that's bigger fuel tank.
Okay, ganun pala yun, boss. Sige.
And yeah, all original. Tail
All
lights. I
original.
didn't add anything. It's how it came out.
Ito boss, nung nakuha mo, ano ba, nagpalit pa ng bago or tipong rin-restore din yung luma?
This one, I have to polish it while watching TV.
Oh.
So it came out nice.
Oh.
So,
Handmade boss, handmade.
a little bit of elbow grease.
Oh.
So yeah, gumanda naman yung itsura niya. Then the
Grabe.
chroming, but it's a little bit fading now.
Oh.
Medyo
Ito boss, kumuha ka pa ng nagko-chrome talaga. Pinakrom mo na lang.
Pinakrom lang.
Pinakrom.
Pinalang sa chrome center.
Oh, my.
Yeah. Pero marami na lang siyang blemishes.
Blemishes na rin. Oh.
So,
Oh.
medyo matagal na.
Matagal na rin. Oh,
Of course,
ito.
working power antenna.
Oh, may power antenna pa. Ito talaga may power antenna talaga siya.
Yes.
Meron talaga.
Original siya, power.
Oh,
Then
okay.
basically it's the same as the other side.
Oo, ayan.
So,
Grabe. Okay. Boss Leo, okay na tayo dito sa exterior.
Yeah.
Usapang makina tayo, curious ako.
Alright.
So tara, check na natin. Okay, usapang makina tayo, Boss Leo. Anong meron dito, boss? Sige po.
well, it's basically the stock engine of the Galant. It's a 4G52. I think it's a 2.0. There's a variant of 1.8.
Ay, okay.
And then it's there's a hair. It's with headers. And the fuel system is converted into electrical. So you will see this. This is a fuel regulator to prevent overflowing.
Pero ano pa rin siya? Carburetor pa rin siya. Ika,
Yes,
Boss
the
Leo.
pump niya is electric.
Electric na. Okay.
Siya, and then, yeah, all of it works. So, lahat na dapat mag-work, nag-work siya.
Hindi na talaga, no?
Everything.
Parang talagang paid ka. Ano yung, boss Leo, ginagamit mo pa siya pang araw-araw? Ano ba? Sunday car?
Recently, ginagamit ko siya from Batangas to Lipa.
Talaga? Grabe, no?
Especially naman siguro pagka-weather.
Oo.
Sa ulan medyo...
Ayaw.
So,
Tama,
ayun siya.
tama.
So, it's a 2.0 naturally aspirated
Oo.
carbureted engine.
Yan, no?
Pwede.
Restored nga rin. Ika nga talaga, boss Leo.
Yeah, for some parts are hard to find, so may mga missing parts.
Meron na rin talaga.
But we still endeavor to
At least
get
kayo,
those parts.
unti-unti, tama ba, Sir Leo?
Yeah.
Unti-unti. Okay, Sir Leo, okay na tayo?
Yes.
Alright, yan, thank you. O yan guys, sa natin, interior exterior, saka engine bay. Siyempre, usapang na tayo. Galang, Diyos ko, napakainis ang galat nito. Ni Boss Leo. Boss Leo, siyempre, di sa Auto Culture, shoutout tayo, boss. Sige po,
Yes.
go po.
First of all, I'd like to thank Old Schooler Auto Club. It's a pleasure to be here. Very happy seeing old cars. And of course, to my family in San Diego, California. Hi, I will see you soon in January.
Yun, okay.
And-
Chocolate na lang tayo, Boss Leo. Papa-chocolate na lang tayo dito. Ayan,
And then, of course, the one who did this car, Buboy San Andres of PR Prototype, located in San Andres, and they have a branch in Tanawan before. So, thanks a lot. Without you, this won't be possible.
Yun, okay.
And of course, thank you, sir, for having my car videoed and having me interviewed. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Siyempre. Sige, siyempre, of course, siyempre sa Auto Culture, and siyempre
Yes.
sa Brian Gunana.
Culture.
No?
Number one.
Yo, thank you, boss. Okay, Boss Leo, okay na po?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, this is Brian Gunana and Sir Leo Jain para sa 1979 Mitsubishi Galant. Usapang Lambda, mga kawato, dito sa Auto Culture.